Today, baby chef's making one of Myanmar's most beloved flavours, lapet thok prawn salad. A perfect balance of crunch, freshness, and that iconic fermented tea leaf aroma. Starting by preparing the aromatics. Bay chef toasts a small handful of dried shrimp in a dry pan until they become fragrant, crisp, salty, and golden. Then add fresh prawns, cleaned and deveined, and cook them gently until they turn pink and juicy. Next, toasted white sesame seeds, simple, nutty, and warm. Then fried peanuts, cooked with just a little oil until crunchy and shiny. Right after the peanuts, next fried garlic, golden, crisp, and intensely aromatic. This adds a deep savoury note that lifts the whole salad. Now for the fresh vegetables. Wash everything carefully. Ripe tomatoes, crisp white cabbage, green chilies, and thin red onion. After washing, cut the tomatoes in. Shred the cabbage into thin strips. Slice the onions fine. And chop the chilies for a little heat. And just like in Myanmar homes, baby chef uses his hand to gently mix everything together, folding the tea leaves through the vegetables, coating every piece with flavour. This is lapet thok prawn salad. Colourful, crunchy, rich with Myanmar's tradition. Simple ingredients, mixed with your hands, made with heart. Time to eat.
Thank you, Myanmar.